Now, as we begin to review this use of English question, I need you to pay serious attention. Anything distracting you now is your enemy. So distance yourself from any distraction and give your attention, okay? Now, let's continue with question 21. You are watching part 10. We have done several parts. If you want me to give you access to all the videos we've done on use of English, just watch this video to the end. If you also watch this very video to the end, you will qualify to get the free gift I'm giving, which is I'm giving a free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus for those that are serious, for those that watch this particular video to the end. Okay? In the match, number 21, in the match against the Rangers team, the Eyimba boys turned out to be the dark horse. Remember, the question they're asking is, choose the option that best conveys the meaning of the underlined portion in each of the following statements. So they will underline some statement, some part of the statement, and ask you, choose the option that best conveys the meaning, that shows the meaning of that statement. So this one, the one they underline is dark horse. In the match against the Rangers team, the Eyimba boys turned out to be the dark horse. What does dark horse mean? You see, in the match against the Rangers team, the Eyimba boys turned out to be the dark horse. A, it means that they played brilliantly. B, played below their form. C, won unexpectedly. D, lost as expected. The answer is C. They won unexpectedly. Somebody that comes and wins unexpectedly is the dark horse. Do you understand? 22. She spoke with his heart. He spoke with his heart in his mouth. This heart in his mouth is always coming out. Is always coming out. Okay, I want you to note it. He spoke with his heart in his mouth. A, courageously. B, with such unusual cowardice. C, with a lot of confusion in his speech. D, with fright and agitation. It is D. He spoke with fright and agitation. That means he was afraid. Are you following? Question 23. The leader in today's issue of Punch newspaper focuses on inflation. The leader in today's issue of Punch newspaper focuses on inflation. A, president. B, headline. C, editorial. D, columnist. The answer is C, editorial. All his plans fell through. A, what does fell through mean? Is it A, failed? B, were accomplished? C, had to be reviewed? D, were rejected? The answer is A. If something falls through, it means the thing was rejected. Okay? 25. He stared at her. What does it mean to stare at something? A, glance at her. B, peeped at her. C, looked at her. D, gazed at her. The answer is D, gaze. To gaze means that he did not remove his eyes. He kept looking at her. Okay? 26. As he was a gullible leader, his followers took advantage of him. As he was a gullible leader, gullible is underlined. I hope you are looking at the screen. As he was a gullible leader, his followers took advantage of him. What does it mean to be gullible? A, 26. A, he was weak and unable to enforce his authority. B, he was partial and unfair in dispensing justice. C, he was simple-minded to a fault. D, he was lacking in education and experience in every affair. Let's look at it again. As he was a gullible leader, his followers took advantage of him. A, he was weak and unable to enforce his authority. B, he was partial and unfair in dispensing. The answer is C, he was simple-minded to a fault. 27. His summary of the lecture was brief and to the point. Underlined word is brief. Remember, at the end of this video, I will give you free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus. Also recall that we have done a lot of past question, review questions on Lekki Headmaster, on use of English, on biology, on several other subjects. So any one of them that you need, feel free to let me know. I can give you access to all the videos. Like in Lekki Headmaster, we have done over 40 videos. In use of English, we have done several videos. Anyone you need, you let me know. The goal is for you to score 300 and above. If you claim it, type I claim it. You will be among those that will get admission after this JAMB. You will be among those that will come back to me with a testimony of 300 and above. Do you claim it? If you claim it, let me know. For it to work, it means you have to watch the videos we are doing seriously and keep preparing. Okay, 27. His summary of the lecture was brief and to the point. Underline brief. A. Careful. B. Precise. C. Accurate. D. Exact. If something is brief, what does it mean? It means that it is precise. It is what? Precise. Question 28. Do you have the same aversion as I do for home videos? Do you have the same aversion as I do for home videos? What? Underline aversion. Underline aversion. A. Do you have the same bitterness? B. Dislike. C. Criticism. D. Indignation. The answer is B. Do you have the same dislike? To have aversion for something means you have dislike for the thing. It is good you are watching these past questions because they will help. They are the things that you should expect in the real JAMB. I did not think she could be so easily taken in by his pretenses. I did not think she could be so easily taken in by his pretenses. Taken in, if some they say he was taken in or she was taken in by his pretenses, what does it mean? A. Flattered. B. Deceived. C. Impregnated. D. Overcome. The answer is deceived by his pretenses. It's not to take in. This one is not to take in, like to get pregnant. No. He was so easily taken in by his pregnancies means he was deceived. Remember, you have to choose the answer that will fit it in the context of the sentence. Do you understand? Are you following? Okay, let's look at question 30. Question number 30. The witness, sorry. Are you following? The witness was guilty of swearing to a statement he knew to be false. The witness was guilty of swearing to a statement he knew was false, and the underline swearing to a statement he knew was false. A. Forgery. B. Perjury. C. Libel. D. Slander. The answer is perjury. If you swear to a statement that is untrue, that is false, that is a lie, you have committed perjury in the court. Okay, now let's continue from question 41. We are jumping 30 to 40 because those ones are from the book Life Changer, which JAMB is no longer using. The one JAMB is using now is Lekki Headmaster, and like I said, I have done over 40 videos reading the book chapter by. I brought out time and read that book chapter by chapter for you. I brought out time and gave you the Expo questions, expected questions for you. I brought out time and reviewed the question that could come out chapter by chapter. You need it, I will give it to you free. Just indicate and it will be given to you free. Question 41. They said, choose the word or expression which best completes the sentence. Which best word completes the sentence? Which best word completes the sentence? Okay, question 41. The giant hydroelectric project is among the dash of the colonial rule in Southern Africa. The giant hydroelectric project is among the dash of the colonial rule in Southern Africa. A. Inheritance. B. Remnants. C. Legacies. D. Evidence. The answer is B. It's among the remnants of the colonial rule because, of course, the colonial rule is no longer in place. What we have now is more of new colonialism. Okay. Question 42. During the inaugural address, the president dashed the activities of his government for the past 8 years. During the inaugural address, the president dashed the activities of his government for the past 8 years. A. Reiterated. B. Reviewed. C. Restated. D. Recited. He reviewed. The answer is B. He reviewed. Okay. 43. The World Bank team which visited the landlocked country dashed a bleak economic future for it. I want to give you an assignment. Go under the comment of this video and tell me what a landlocked country means. Remember, whenever I give you an assignment, it is for a reason. I already know something that made me to give you that assignment. So come under the comment and tell me, that is assignment number 1 for this video, the meaning of landlocked country. What makes a country landlocked? The World Bank team, which said the country, the landlocked country, dash a bleak economic future for it. A, forecasted. B, discovered. C, thought of. D, prophesied. The answer is forecast. They forecasted. You have to choose the option that best suits the statement, the sentence. So remember, why is it very easy to fair use of English? Because most of the options will be similar. You could be spelling it happily. You could be answering it thinking you are correct and you are wrong. That is why the videos I keep giving you are very crucial. If you have not watched the other videos I did on use of English, ask me and I'll give it to you free. You can go watch them. Lock yourself. These few months, you have to prepare. Don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. These few weeks, these few days, these few months, you have to prepare for this JAMB. Don't joke with it. This JAMB is so crucial to your destiny. It will determine whether you spend another 1 year at home or you enter school. It will determine when you graduate, the institution you will get. It is very crucial. So let's keep being serious. Are you serious? Okay. We traveled all night. Question number 44. We traveled all night and arrived dash the Lagos Motor Park at 6 o'clock in the morning. Arrived by. B, arrived inside. C, arrived in. D, arrived at. The answer is arrived at the Lagos Motor Park. Arrived at. Okay. 45. We ought to stay away from this place. Dash the robbers come back. We ought to stay away from this place. Dash the robbers come back. A, provided the robbers come back. B, should in case 45. Should in case the robbers come back. C, in case the robbers come back. D, since the robbers come back. The answer is actually C. We should stay away from this place in case the robbers come back. 46. Okay. The principal will be going away on dash. In his absence, the vice principal will dash the school. The principal will be going away on his dash. In his absence, the vice principal will dash his school. Oh, the principal will be going away on holidays. Then the vice principal will take over. B, holiday, carry on. C, holidays, care for. D, holiday, look after. The answer should be question number 46. The answer to question number 46 should be D, holiday, then look after. Okay, question number 47. The new leader has good intentions, but she is unable to dash. The new leader has good intentions, but she is unable to dash. A, carry them with him. B, carry them out. Right? C, carry them on. D, carry them where. The answer is to carry them out. To have a good intention of passing JAMB is one thing. Then carrying it out by being serious with me. You see, I think I've been more serious than most of you that are writing the JAMB. Me that came to help by posting this video seems to be more serious. Some of you are not reading. Some of you are partying around. But I believe that you watching this video, you will be among those that will make me proud. Won't you? Will you make me proud? Okay, 48. Abuja is not far from here. It is only and dash. Abuja is not far from here. It is only and dash. A, hour of driving. B, hours of driving. C, hour by driving. D, hours by driving. The answer, Abuja is not far from here. It is only an hour's drive. An hour's drive. Number B is the answer. Okay, let's look at question 49. Do you know if the new lecturer dash yet? Do you know if the new lecturer dash yet? A, do you know if the new lecturer dash yet? A, is arrived yet? B, will be arriving yet? C, has arrived yet? D, had arrived yet? The answer, of course, is C. Do you know if the new lecturer has arrived yet? Okay, 50. Had he known, he dash away. Had he known A, we go away B, we be going away C, we have gone away D, would have gone away. I won't answer question 50 for you. I want to give it to you as a second assignment. Tell me what you think is the answer in the comment section. Remember, if you want to get the free materials, free JAMB syllables, free JAMB past question, use of English, and the other 3 subjects we'll be writing, is free. I'm giving it for you free for the serious ones in this noble tutorial. Just do these 3 things for me. 4 things actually. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. Join. You see the option on the channel to join. Click on join, and that is very, very important. Number 2, like this video. Click the like button. Number 3, share this video. Very important. Share this video, copy the link, share it on YouTube, copy the link, post it on all the Telegram groups you belong to for JAMB candidate, post it on all the WhatsApp groups you belong to for JAMB candidate, post it on Facebook, on Twitter, and X, and all the platforms. Then when you have joined our YouTube channel, when you have liked, when you have shared, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Click on subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Once you have done these 3 things, come under the comment and tell me, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you those materials. Remember to do the assignments I've given you and type the answers for me also as a comment. Now there's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.